Bitcoin has met resistance at $25,000 and is having a tough time getting over it. And it looks like most altcoins are also taking a break. Seems like the market needs to chill out before the next upward movement. But hey, let's consider the on-chain data. Looks like investors' behavior towards BTC and other coins is starting to change. All we need is some good news to give the market a little nudge. Hey there, I'm Eleonora, the product owner at Exma Study, and I'm here to share the top crypto news of the week with you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started! Despite all the pressure the US regulators have been putting on digital assets, Bitcoin has managed to rally above $25,000, and this is where the first crypto has met a strong resistance level and is unable to break it yet. Some market players are starting to get a little nervous about a potential deeper correction, but overall, the market is still optimistic. The market just needs an accumulation period to grow further. So, brace yourselves for a possible small correction to the zone of $22,000 to $23,000. Don't worry, it's just the major players taking their profits. At the same time, investors' behavior hits a new cycle. The number of investors with balances of at least 10 and 100 BTC, as well as whale addresses holding over 10,000 BTC, have increased. However, the number of addresses holding over 1,000 BTC has gone down. Bitcoin's hash rate hit a new high of almost 311 exahash per second. So it seems that this week we see another increase in Bitcoin's mining difficulty. What's more, Bitcoin has hit a record 44 million non-zero addresses. The upper range of the mean Bitcoin block size has also increased significantly in a matter of weeks. And this is thanks to Ordinals protocol. Launched in January 2023, it allows users to create Bitcoin-based NFTs and sell them for a hell lot of money. Just imagine this simple image of a brick being sold for a 0.75 BTC or almost 18.5 US dollars. As we can see, Ordinals are positively impacting the Bitcoin network. It can lift the entire ecosystem by boosting its security and attracting more developers. And now it's time to bust some myths around the most popular crypto in town. You might have heard the news circulating this February that Wall Street Journal claimed Bitcoin is controlled by just 6 developers. But hold up, the crypto experts at CoinShares have come forward to debunk this theory. They claim that a vast and diverse group of brilliant minds work together to maintain and develop Bitcoin, and there is no truth to the idea that it's controlled by just a handful of people. So let's celebrate the decentralized nature of Bitcoin, where no one person or group holds all the power. Actually, here is some interesting tendency. As soon as the crypto market recovers, a lot of media starts saying about some kind of scam and centralization of the entire crypto industry. Maybe they just want to shake the market a little bit so they later can buy it cheaper. Okay, it's not the exact thing, but who knows? However, the evident fact is that celebrities have gone crypto since long ago and keep promoting digital assets. The metric star Keanu Reeves has also become something on a crypto fan. He calls cryptocurrencies amazing tools for exchanges and distribution of resources. So, conspiracy aside, let's better wait for a new bull run. And what about Ethereum? The second largest crypto sees a constant decline in the exchange supply. ETH supply has plunged 37% on crypto exchanges after the merge upgrade. This means that users do not sell their coins, so there is less pressure on the coin's price. This can have a positive effect on ETH's price, especially considering the next significant Ethereum upgrade, Shanghai, taking place the next month already. The upgrade will finally allow withdrawing staked ETH and includes several improvements to the system. Just in case you didn't know, users have been able to stake their ETH and earn rewards since December 2020, but they haven't been able to access their rewards. Now, Shanghai will give them this great opportunity. The crypto community as a whole is optimistic about the future impact of the Shanghai upgrade. The total value in the ETH 2.0 deposit contracts is reached new all-time high of over 16 million ETH. The withdrawal process after Shanghai will be dynamic, so it's unlikely that a lot of ETH will flood into the market overnight, dropping the coin's price. Plus, many stakers purchased Ether for more than its current rate, and they are very unlikely to sell at a loss. We will see what will happen next, but undoubtedly, this hard fork will significantly impact ETH's price and volatility. Let's move on to Dogecoin. It looks like the popular meme coin is gearing up for a new rally as whales holding between 100 million and 1 billion Doge are actively accumulating coins. In 48 hours, the whales purchased more than 1 billion coins, worth up to $95 million. Just compare, the last time after whales were actively buying LTC and ADA, their prices grew by 96% and 75% respectively. Better still, social sentiment around Dogecoin hasn't been this positive since October 2022. This is when Doge pumped by a whopping 160%. Elon Musk continues to be one of the biggest factors influencing Dogecoin. Again with his tweets. "High time I confessed I let the Doge out," joked the so-called Doge father a few days ago. And the price of the meme coin immediately increased by over 6%. No more comments needed here. Are you a Doge holder? Do you think that we'll see a new rally soon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Besides Doge, Cardano is also experiencing increased whale activities. A similar situation was right before the January rally. While is ADA also getting ready for a new bull run? If so, the coin will probably be able to reach the level between 55 and 60 cents. So don't forget to keep track of Cardano's price too. There is also good news for Litecoin holders. The network's hash rate has recently reached a record high of 886 terahashes per second. Amid this, LTC's price grew by 7% over the week. To sum up, February was not such an amazing month in terms of performance compared to January, but the market remains optimistic. On-chain metrics are on the whole bullish for Bitcoin, and there is more good news even despite US regulatory scrutiny on stablecoins and crypto in general. On the other hand, China is no longer as aggressive about crypto as it was before. Hong Kong crypto hub ambitions are getting soft backing from Beijing. Hong Kong plans to let retail investors trade digital tokens like Bitcoin and Ether. Now get this. Before the ban of cryptocurrencies in China, Chinese traders were the ones shaping market sentiment. So, if the ban is lifted, who knows what could happen? Could they come back with a vengeance? Well, now that's all for today. See you next week!